Saudi Aramco's income fell by over $15 billion, £11.6 billion, year-on-year, the company announced this morning, just a day after the oil giant's long-awaited initial public offering, IPO, got underway. Results for the first 9 months of 2019 showed that income slipped from $83.3 billion in 2018 to $68.2 billion this year, with revenues down from $233.3 billion to $217.1 billion. Read more. Saudi Aramco gets the green light for December float. The company did not release a statement accompanying today's results, which are in line with those of other major oil companies. In the last week, a sustained decline in oil prices has knocked the third quarter earnings of firms including ExxonMobil, BP and Royal Dutch Shell. BP's profits alone slipped $749 million in the quarter. On Sunday, Saudi Aramco's IPO was finally given the green light after 4 years of delays. The world's most valuable company will list on Saudi Arabia's domestic Tadal exchange in December, with an international float a possibility afterwards. The initial plan is to sell 1 to 2% of the company, which has been valued at $1.5 trillion by independent investors. A sale of 2% at this valuation would make the float comfortably the largest of all time and generate up to $40 billion in revenues for the kingdom. However, valuations have been fluctuating in recent days, with a range between $1.2 trillion to $2.3 trillion estimated by Bank of America Merrill Lynch, according to Reuters sources. The oil giant's chief executive Amin Nasser said that the prospectus for the IPO would be issued on the 9th of November, with both the institutional and retail investor roadshow to take 2 weeks. Read more. Saudi Aramco to pay out $75 billion dividend as it courts investors ahead of IPO. Chairman Yasser Al-Rumayyan told the press conference that the valuation for the company should be determined after the roadshow. The company also announced that Saudi nationals subscribing to the listing would be eligible for bonus shares. Main image credit, Getty. For more on this story, visit the news article link.